Hello traders, welcome to episode 440 of the show. Could be doing anything, but you're here. Thank you. Appreciate it a lot. And just looking at Bitcoin on the daily. I don't know, man. Like, you know, a lot of days we've been having some developments happen on certain altcoins and stuff. Like, you know, this weekend we had Ethereum Classic, Verge making a splash. I don't know, man. It's been pretty tame today. For the most part, in the crypto sphere, I mean, you know, TNB is down 10%. S-coins, baby, S-coins. Lots of them. Mixed bag. Wait, hold on a sec. Redcoin connects up 3%. Okay, so yeah, man, not too much going on. Just looking at daily time scale. We'll go to the 4 hours so you can see what's happening. Upsloping flag, pin it, whatever. All right. We've surpassed the, you know, that April 3rd high slightly. It's when we have negative momentum. We have negative momentum with higher highs. It's really bad. It's like not good, man. It's like getting to a point where it's like, when's the move going to happen? Like we keep on just floating on up. All right, waiting and waiting and waiting for that bullish divergence to occur. We're just not getting it. All right. Been dealing with so many technical issues. I don't even think the alert box or anything works on Stream Elements. Oh, hey, it tests like it works, but it wouldn't show up on my OBS when I tested, and there's absolutely no reason. Okay, it's not like a user error where like, oh, you need to make sure you have the right link. Nah, dude, like if you see the 80's stuff in the background right now, like that's all part of the overlay. And why does that work? But the alert box and tip jar doesn't work. It just, dude, there are so many countless issues with streaming, high production streaming. It's like every day. All right. It never stops. And really just like, it's aggravating because it really messes with your, like, your zen before the stream. So I'm all like wanting to be like happy and, you know, ready to roll. But then like, I hit a brick wall with the technicals on streaming, and I can't fix it because it's not me. It's literally their problem. Okay. So anyway, if we were to break to the upside, right? If we were, then we'd be looking around 5,600, you know, starting to get to a point where it's upsloping. So it's moving target up here, you know, measured move of the pennant was like 57, 51. If you break the downside, 43, 45. Okay. But, you know, we clearly are kind of out of it. All right, but the beauty is on flags, upsloping flags like this, measure move from the breakout. So if we break the downside, the measure move still remains because that's that trend line that's upsloping. All right, the widest areas of the flag. So you can get it, man. Simple enough. Okay, so yeah, highs on price. We have higher highs on price, and you know, this is really strong. I mean, like the way you're just bouncing off like 56 like that. Really nice. Okay, so just be patient on this. I'd like to see before we like make a decision on a position or something, I'd really like to see some MACD bearish divergence, and that would require us to break to higher prices. Since we're already going upsloping anyway, might as well just get it over with and impulse up like crazy one more time to 5,800, right? Might as well. Because this is not the makings of the varsity athlete. You need downslope. Well, we get a correction like, oh, do this and then sell off and then run again, right? But nope, you're taking this route. You're taking this route. Thanks, Bitcoin. You do it. They've been doing it all the time for the past year. Okay, it has an impulse up and it doesn't make the right moves. It just continues up sloping and then it blasts off again, and then it's like, okay, and then it'll dump after that. So we could be getting another big impulse, and 5,800 would make all the sense in the world, because that is another confluence zone. That is critical resistance points. Right, way back from manufactured June, February, August 2011 or 2018, excuse me. That zone up there that was once a support would then be used as resistance. We're kind of just in the middle of nowhere, stalling because of probably overboughtness. Okay, and the 618. Okay, again, we're at a confluence zone, and the next confluence zone is 5,800. Go figure. All right, that's it. RSI, okay, 86. So you're making higher highs on price and lower levels of relative strength slightly on the daily time scale, and that's not good. Not really good, man. Okay, that's it. No real patterns here. Not like down here. Lots of patterns down here. Wow. Give me some patterns, man. Give me something. You're just in the continuation of the impulse. That's all that's happening on daily time scale. Okay. Bodacious. Oh, do you want Lumia on? If it works, man, I'm going to give it a shot. Here we go. Alright, it should work. If you're on Twitch Gaming Crypto, you can give it a shot, man. Give it a try. Take a look at chat. I don't know how long the stream will be tonight. I'm just my head hurts. I've had a headache all day. I don't know why. What's up, Infinite Paradox? Jesse Thompson, CC. There we go. Works nice. There you go, man. These observes. VO, Satinical, Scoured Man. Use your Walkman. Get it, man. Get it, dude. Strobe. I don't think there's a strobe version. Hold on. Okay. Sorry. Hey, Miami boy. Tom, crypto newbie dude. We live. Adam Warren. We live. We lit. Danny Armada. Welcome. Ernesto. Paul Cop. It's right, Nippon Cowboy. Origato. Origato. Mr. Robato. Alright. Yeah, I guess so. Rambo TA, is that it? Yeah, I figure I'd be like the dude from the Goonies, who's now Thanos. Remember? Do I think a small retrace followed by a bull is possible? What do you mean, Mr. Manetny? Matani? I don't understand. Yellow Viking bandana, now green one. Dude, I've got every color of the rainbow. I just haven't pulled them all out. Alright. Gonna take a long time. I could probably have a different bandana for the year. Like per month, every year, right? Like one bandana. So 12 different ones, different colors, right? Hey, Crypto Kraken, man. How you doing, man? King Logan, dude. Crypto Tiger, dude. Getting close to 6K. Keep it growth. Thanks, Edward Park, man. Been working, dude. Just, longer than I probably should. At least I'm trying. Yeah, Infinite Paradox. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. So close to the basketball game and national championships on. NCAA national championship, college basketball. Texas Tech, which I think is, what is that, Cardano? And Ethereum is Virginia, right? I think that's how it went. Tron Connect, Adam Warren. Yeah, Tron Connect, man. Yeah, we did a video on it. I said 39 cents. Believe me, I felt dumb. I was about to take the video down. I'm like, I'll just make a note and pin it. Thanks, Wobble My Jello, man. Appreciate it. Band is too tight. No, dude, long before I put this bandana on, my head's been hurting. Okay, I should have. Boof. It's tough, man. Sub-Sahara. Bouncing in the channels. Yeah. Well, a lot of things are just pulling back. A lot of things have hit their brinks, right? They've hit their crazy golden zones. And it's like you're looking for price action reversal at those areas. If that's the top of the area where you're expecting price action reversal, a lot of times you get it, like ADA. Sold off at the 618. That's it. That's all it did. What we got? Sub Omega Law Demetrios. Kevin Phillips, first time catching stream. Welcome to a special edition, the 8th of the month. Every 8th of the month now we do 80's nights or day or both, or if, you know, Streamlabs or Stream Elements, if they grace me with non-scrubbiness, then yeah, we'll do it. ADA is Texas Tech. There you go, man. Okay. So I wish more would happen. I wish more has happened since today's stream, but it in fact has not changed at all. Okay. We bullishly engulfed, and now we're just going sideways. 52.48 right now, down 0.74%. Ethereum, same thing. Selling off right at the entry of that pattern. Right, nope. Bitfinex, yep. Bitfinex. Hit it right at the entry. That wick right there. We got it, dude. We got one wick at the entry. That was 187 on the dot. We got as high as 187.99, pretty much $188, and we're now beginning to bearishly engulf. Critical resistance, tons of rejection right here. The high on the price, the higher high on the price, and what happened? Nothing saved because my computer literally just randomly just stopped working, and I don't. You just don't think that your PC's just, you know, you go AFK to go get some dinner and you come back and your PC's just est itself. You just don't, you don't expect to have to save, but I got to make it a habit. Everything just, like streaming every day, I love it, but dealing with the headaches of all the issues with the technicals, that is what takes its toll on me. Nothing with like streaming and interacting with the community and having fun. I love that. If I could just have it like that, that'd be wonderful. But unfortunately, there's like a billion different things off stream that I have to deal with that really take their toll. So it's whatever, man. Okay. All right. So entry was hit. So we should expect $165, 152, or 139. Okay. That's what we're looking for now on Ethereum. So we saw if Bitcoin decided it was time to sell off, this would be absolutely perfect, because if Bitcoin started selling off, Ethereum's going to get at least probably the first target, because that's like that's still above the 50 moving average, right? And it's going to keep moving, but really do think there's a chance we could see at least one target get hit on this pattern, this bearish crab pattern. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Bearish divergence on both oscillators to top it at. Remember how many variables there were?
The Sharif don't like it rocking the Kappa. Rock the Kappa.
Hey, at least it works. We just can't see the TTS. Yeah. The Sharif don't.
Is that a joint?
Okay, all the text is black now. That's cool. See what I'm talking about? It's like always one or 20 things. Thanks, dude. At least it works, man. That's great. That's great news, Greg. 1941 news, man. Thanks. Okay, dude. There's nothing more to talk about besides going to the daily and just looking at the much larger pattern. We have the crab within the Gartley. Hey, you know this, you realize you can have patterns within patterns, right? This can play out, you sell off, you can hit all three targets, get near the bottom of the wedge, hit second, third target, and then run again. until you methodically get to that 195 mark. Now, it might not happen, and you got so close. Remember, if the entry is pretty much 192 to 194, we got to 188. That's pretty freaking close, but it's not. It's not there. It's not there. So, in my opinion, you just wait patiently. Dude, there was an opportunity right here, okay, for the short term, and then we got the more midterm up here. All right, that's it. What are we looking at on the daily? Okay, bullish convergence, but overbought. High on price, higher high on price. Ooh, there it is. Bearish divergence on the daily. Wow, Ethereum, come on. Okay, so I know we have like 6 to 7 coinciding variables alone on the 4-hour, and now we have another coinciding variable on a daily time scale. Throw that into the mixing bowl for Ethereum now, okay, for a great opportunity to dump. And at critical, look at a resistance point. Look what we did. We ran up, and where do we hit? We hit the September 11th low, right, at that time, that candle close. So we're talking, I think, 8 to 9 coinciding variables on Ethereum now for the short to be valid. Like for it, that's like your argument. Remember, every coinciding variable is an element to your argument using technical analysis, because there's no other real way to argue in crypto. You can argue all you want about the project and blah, 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 but dude, it's all speculative crap. Here, at least, we know it's the psychology of buyers and sellers. It's the emotionalism of buyers and sellers. And people look at these patterns, and if you see 9 coinciding variables total, like that's very rarely do you get 9 coinciding variables. So for this to not play out would be extremely surprising to me. For us to not hit at least 165. Okay, that's just what me thinks. Okay. All right. Let's wait for 165 on Ethereum, and then 152, and then hopefully, if we're lucky, 139. All right. I don't know, man. I'm gonna put some synthwave on, dude. All right. Okay, we're good. All right. Let's go Ethereum. Let's dump. Let's be peasants. We're looking to be peasants here. All right. And then we go over to XRP. Big eye roll here. What a dude. It's just like, nope. And see, nothing saved, right? All the analysis I did today didn't save. Thanks, PC. Thanks, David. God. I can't do it, man. It's like all your stuff like turns on you. Like everything turns on you. God, there's just so much S here, man. There's just so much stuff going on. Because there's like this upsloping channel. You couldn't break it. There's a downsloping resistance of a triangle you've been in since September. You couldn't break it. You ran up, you dumped. Pivoted, ran again, double topped, bearish divergence, selling off, but now you have 2 downsloping converging trend lines, which is like a pennant or wedge. All right. So it's a somewhat still bullish consolidation for now. Okay. It's a bearish engulfing candle currently happening right now. There you go. Negative momentum building and plenty of room to the downside if you wanted to. Okay. There you go, dude. Ripple. Nothing, dude. It's just talk about the most boring cryptocurrency that exists is Ripple. All right. Well, for the year of 2019, think about it like this: for the year of 2019, we've gone between 37 cents and 28.5 cents. That's it. Okay. It's almost like Tether right now for 2019. That's Ripple, dude. Good luck. When 80's music, well, like all 80's music is going to have like record companies that would take the stream down so fast, man. So I have to play synthwave. All right. Holy crap. Yeah, White Snake, dude. Playing White Snake made me like just over. Like your stream's gonna get taken down before the stream even ends, dude. It's that gonna be that bad. Dude, my head's killing me right now. It's just like throbbing. It's like boom, boom, boom. Fix hot tubs for a living. If my time machine breaks, there you go, dude. Hey, Doogie Smurf, thanks for following Twitch, Kings. I mean, there's definite deviations. Deus, like there's no opens and closes here, so there's no gaps you have to worry about. Oh yeah. There's going to be way more liquidity on the stock market than there's going to be here. But other than that, traditional technical analysis with the patterns, no, it's very similar, very, very similar. It's like a universal truth almost. That's what I've learned on this market. I mean, it's not gonna be your. I think this is probably the least reliable market to trade on of the of Forex and stock market in here. But like you can still trade here. It's still something you can do, and it still works. It's just not as reliable. Turbo Man, what's up, dude? No, Tron like broke the upside, like last night we were looking at it, but it was showing, I think, Class B bearish divergence. One of our patrons was talking about it. Is this better than Netflix or cable TV, Anthony? I don't know, man. Probably not. Screen melted for a second. Rip. Yep, I gotta get David over here. I can't handle this, dude. It's like too much. It's like I'm about to lose my mind. Alright. Yeah, I have no idea who Mike Reno of Loverboy is. Billy Man. Yeah, XRP is literally that 10% gain is gone on XRP to BTC. Right back where you started as a scrub at very critical areas of support. That's about it. Okay. You fall below 6,600, you're probably done. You're probably cooked. Remember the word shill, what it means. Shill means you're peddling a scam, pretty much. Okay. So it's a negative denotation and connotation. All right, shill is a bad word. Advocacy is a different word that one would use properly, WDS, okay? Thanks, Ryan Phillips. Sure. Sing some 80's hits. Yeah, dude, let's go, man. 3, 2, 1. Something about Betty White, that song. Y'all know what I'm talking about. 80 is about to lose to Ethereum. Satchery. Holy crap. Alright, anyway, so, I don't even know, man. Yeah, alright, well there you go. We're definitely pulling back on TRX right now. Weird how we're pulling back. Bearish Harambe happening or something.
Master Sensei Crypto Kaidojo is very much alive. Greenbow, Alabama. Training the minds about Ripple. Nutella and milk. Always something there to remind me. Naked eyes. Could you look at XLM?
Yeah, we'll look at XLM, dude. Thanks, Peter Byrne. Thanks, man. Good to see everything kind of works on this overlay. And it's not, oh, dude, I was so triggered, man. I was watching it work on this screen, on the test screen, but then it wasn't working on my OBS, and that most of the time always means you're screwed. But it might have been the update where they now no longer have the test be able to show up on your OBS. I don't know, right? So it's just a big headache. It's just like since my head is hurting and I'm dealing with that, it hurts even more. All right, so here you go, man. Here you go. Hit a critical resistance where? January 27th high, right? Right around there. Oh, yeah, also candle close from January 10th, right? Unable to break it. Why? Chances are, well, again, a patron brought this up last night. See, this was their idea, all right? And I want to give credit where credit's due, but there's so much chat in Patreon. I can't, no way I'm going to be like scroll up and find it. Like, how in the world will I do it? Be in here just scrolling up all night. Maybe I'll find it. Okay, here we go. All right, it's Gym Pants. Well, see, the thing is, last night, Jim was saying there was Class B bearish divergence. There was an ascending triangle that had developed.
If you got a lady, and you want her gone, but you ain't got the cubes nagging at you night and day, enough to drive you nuts.
Is that a joint?
Is that some sort of 80's song? Thanks, man, for the 420. Is that a Cheech and Chong contribution? Okay. Is anyone seen the Cheech and Chong movies? Are they versed? Is there anything that they say that sounds similar to Elon asking a joint or inquiring about the marijuanas? Anyone know? We could change up the sound bit on these nights. Alright, so what he had was like an ascending triangle, like this. You see it? The horizontal line resistance and the upsloping support. And he was saying, hey, there's some bearish divergence. It was like this, but then we broke to the upside today, and all we did was hit the top of his channel, which is fine. And we still ended up showing bearish divergence at the top of the channel. And see, that's the type of thinking I had on Bitcoin, thinking, hey, man, we're like we are here on Bitcoin, right? We're just barely above the previous high, and we break to the upside, hit 55, 5,600, and then sell off, right? But we haven't done that. We're not doing that yet, all right? So, because like Bitcoin still has negative momentum, remember, just like this, the higher lows, and it just drives up, and then all of a sudden you get moves to the upside, and you start getting positive momentum. We still just don't have any, man, on Bitcoin on the 4 hour. One day, man, maybe, but maybe not. Maybe we won't get. You just gotta think we will, man, because you just seen it. You see it so many times. You're just like, okay, we got an upsloping flag. We have not hit the top of it, and it's at 5,600 roughly now at this point. And we haven't even shown positive momentum since the 4th, right? 4 days we haven't seen positive momentum on the 4 hour on Bitcoin. You'd expect another move up. Okay. What are you looking at me good for? Luke Jones, what are you looking at me good for? Okay. Alright, so cool stuff. Hit the top of a channel, hit the top of a horizontal line resistance, and now you're selling off because of the bearish divergence on not only the MACD, but also the RSI. That's okay. Just a speed bump. Just a stutter step, as they would say in The Sopranos. Alright. So, long way to go, man. You'd expect, if we could break this. See, this is the big one, man. You break this resistance here, smooth sailing to 382, I think. Because, look, it's not just these two resistances. It was an old support, too. July of 2018 resistance. Very strong. Not going to be easy to break. So, whatever. We sell off for a day, however long it takes. Eventually bounce, and we run again. That'd be great. All right. Looking for the 382. 3.9 cents, not 39 point something. Okay. Pinned it. Because remember the golden zone? You know, inverse head and shoulders, whatever. High to low. Between 3.9 cents and 5.6 cents is the golden zone. Golden retrace is the 618 at 5.6 cents up here. So, not even close, man. Not even close. All right. Okay. It is time to go all in on lift capo. We've actually looked at it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. What can we even analyze here? What the... Dude, bear pole, bear flag? Was that it? Where is it? 30 minutes? 30-minute bear pole, bear flag, baby. Come on. was the last time we looked at it, and it's done more, doubled, tripled that. Oh my god. So that's great. That's great, man. So from your high to low, we've retraced what? 38.2% of the way, probably 35 to 37% now. Maybe even 40%. Alright, before selling off, gapped down. Pretty nice volume on the gap down. Could be just a breakaway gap, so we keep selling off, man. Alright. Impulse down, upsloping consolidation, hitting a 30% retrace and selling off again. What? An even larger bear pull, bear flag? What the? Yeah, there it is. Get wrecked, man. Get wrecked. Get wrecked on your huge bear pull, bear flag combination. It's much larger. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. It makes it look better, yeah, maybe. So even on 60-minute, you just got a bunch of negative momentum, and you're at 35 on the RSI. What's the 4 hour look like? 4 hour, there's not even enough data. Look, it's just like nice, huge red candle. No volume though. Just $70.42, the lowest low we've seen. $66.11. See what happens when we get down there and touch it. What we'll be showing? We'll be showing the bullish divergence or something for a double bottom, or will the selling just continue? Because I'll tell you this, man. Just looking at a 4 hour chart, that measure move, no bueno, man. All right, no bueno. Like $55. Okay. There you go. There's your lift, dude. Oh my God, we're gonna be kings. We're gonna be kings. Whew. Singing White Snake won't get me banned, sure, dude, but I don't know the words. Okay. ADA is super exotic. Exotic's such a weird word to... Never have I ever. That's the first time I've ever heard someone call a cryptocurrency exotic. Well, I mean, I guess it makes sense for a lot of them. VeChain or Neo, they are exotic in the most definitive term. Think about it. VeChain or Neo is originating in or the characteristic of a distant foreign country. So, yeah, I guess, man. I guess, dude. Weird word to use, though. Is ADA super exotic? Where is it out of? Because if it's in America, then it's totally not exotic for us. An XRP price target or prediction, Henry Lai, for something as far out from we are in April and you're asking me for something in December, there's no way of knowing. Literally, anyone telling you what they think is literally pulling a number out of their butt and acting like they know. Pretentiously, okay? I don't know, and I don't really care, because we're not here to do price predictions for something that is 8 months out, because it's so unreliable and so stupid. And it's just like, why even set yourself up for that? You know, if you're gonna be a long-term content creator, why even make stupid speculative calls? Like, I mean, we've already seen what the Moon Boys did, how stupid they look. They all look so dumb. Like, oh yeah, dude, XVG Verge and Tron are gonna be the coins of 2018, man. Where are those kids now? I think they're coming out of the woodworks again, man. They're starting to come out because Bitcoin pumped to the upside. You know, while we've been grinding away every day, 7 days a week for like well over a year now. Okay, so who cares? Who cares what a price target is on anything by the end of the year? Because there's no reliability to it, so it's just weird. Dude, change the song. Thanks, Breakfast Jay. Yeah, it's not even long days. It's just like, man, when you get a bunch of coinciding variables that are all negative and it has nothing to do with like charts It just has to do with a bunch of IRL stuff that I have to handle along with everything else. Everything that I've said before, like having to do taxes, having to create LLCs, having to create all these things and stuff. It's like, I just want to do the charts, man. Having to deal with like trolls and drama stuff. It's like, I just want to do the charts, man. Whatever happened to just being able to do charts? Have a good time, trade. It's just like every day I feel like there are these new steps to what I do. And it just keeps compiling. It's compounding steps. So complexity grows. So with that, you know, issues can arise, like, and they will. They're just inevitable because there's so many different things that can go wrong, I guess, technically. What's up, Liam? Maha Freedom, dude. What's up, man? Dude, I don't know. We haven't looked at FET in a while. Fentanyl coin. Definitely looks like some like heroin or something, dude. Yeah, didn't work out, man. Yeah, we thought, dude, it's like there's just okay. Let's make adjustments here. This dumpster fire. Easy adjustment, though. Hey, Barla, thanks for the sub. Welcome. Welcome. Okay. That just looks like a downslope structure, right? Just like a lot of the other ones. Okay. You've been selling off since March.
Oh, the thrill of the moment. I'm taking a chance. I'm risking it all on Verge Connect. Doing it for you, Aunt Becky.
Crew Jones, is that you? Drew Crew Jones, man? Drew Crew Jones. Welcome, man. Thanks to the threes, man. Thanks for the Tron Connect in the jar. Yeah, I don't know. Something about the variation is in black font, not white. I don't know. Sometimes it happens. I have literally like 20 variations for like alert boxes. And then I have like 30 or 35 variations for the tip jar. I don't know who would have, as a streamer, more variations on their stream elements than me. I want to know. I'm going to be like, we should hang out. We should like go grab a beer and talk about the trials and tribulations of having a bunch of variations in your stream elements. And you also use Streamlabs for other people. So I should start a club for other streamers to do that. All right. Anyway, so huge downtrend. Then the selling pressure is not near as bad as it was. Okay. And from your, what was it, from the low to high, we're at a 1618. Wow, we've made it down to the golden mean ratio. And on the 4 hour, I guess you had some divergence. Low, same low. I mean, higher levels, relative strength. But dude, look what is happening when you're running up and hitting the 50 moving average. You're just rejecting it like a scrub, dude. Dude, fentanyl, not even once, dude. Fentanyl coin. It's terrible. I mean, look, you got a little bit of RSI divergence at a 1618 fib extension. That's about all you have going for you, dude. Great, man. Glad we looked at it. Okay. Is the dump over? I don't know. I mean, you tell me. Daily time scale? Like, no data on the daily. So, what do you want me to do? I don't even know how you have positive histogram wicks here. This is so weird, dude. You are literally playing at a casino in Vegas Vacation where they play War, where they play pick a number between 1 and 10. That is you playing fentanyl, fetch coin. All right. Remember, he's like this. He's like, or he's like this, and it's like pick a number between 1 and 10. You know, like, dude, this coin. Okay, we know because the oscillator's like that. Jeez. All right, Ethereum won the S-Coin Madness Awards. Hey, congratulations, Ethereum. You did it, man. You freaking did it. Yeah, Crypto Tag. That was Jalen's idea, man. It's a good idea. No, I don't even know what Axe Spire is. Oh my god. Do we really have like Axe body spray coming out with cryptocurrency now, dude? Wow. I've never seen this in my life, dude. Hey, kudos on you, man, for finding something I've never charted or seen or heard of in my life. All right. Well, so this is going to be Axe Connect. Axe Connect. Ooh, nice. Ooh, harmonic-y. Okay. We'll go to the top candle close. We'll see how it goes, man. I don't know. XA. B. Ooh. Probably not going to be enough. So if we go 38%, it'll be 78. No, go much higher. All right, hold on. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. This is the butterfly, I think, right? Yeah, this is the butterfly. This potentially, but no, it's not the butterfly. It's not the butterfly. Sorry, butterfly is 78% retrace. This is freaking 30, almost 38%. Nothing, dude. Okay. Okay, it could be a bat. All right, that makes sense. So, yeah, 382 to 50%. You're good here. And you run up. You're supposed to be an 88% retrace only. 88% retrace. Oh my god, dude. Look what we did, man. What's up, Mark? Thanks for joining. Look at this, dude. Look at it. Do you see? That's an 88% retrace. And we dumped. Pumped. Wow. Alright, so maybe look, the thing is on the daily right here. Look at this high, this higher high. Look at this stupidity. This is craziness, man. These coins are insane. They're so illiquid for this kind of behavior. Messes the oscillators up. Look at the bearish divergence developing. I don't know how you're pivoting here. All right, but we know what happened first, selling. So expect 25,645. That's like that's the target again for the short. You can't short this, but if one could, this is for education. Okay, this is straight up for education because hey, we're gonna look at Aspire coin and be learned. Become learned. And how we get targets. So let's say the target hit. All right. So at the 886, you're looking for targets. 382. Oh my god, done this a billion times, right? What's the next one? The 618. And the next one. The 886 to 100%. Oops. Holy crap. All right, 886 or 100. Your call. Okay. You do realize once we hit this top part, look where we went. We hit the 382 immediately after, and we hit the 618 immediately after that. And we almost hit the 786 before reversing our price action back to the upside. And then we dumped again. Hit a 382, hit a 618.
In the beginning back in 1941, Mom didn't know about a rock and roll show and all that jive.
Is that a joint?
Hey man, hey, did you got a joint, man? That's me attempting to be Cheech or Chong. Thanks, Brian Johnson. Isn't Brian Johnson a singer or something? Aspire Connect, become learned, at least on a harmonic. We're doing what we can. AXPR. There you go. There you go, dude. Okay. Human from Earth. Are you there? Psh, psh. But like, how can you like, dude? Oh my god, the wicks, man. Sweet Ryan, thanks for the empathy, man. Just reading chat, okay? Reading bodacious chat. It was up, Blue Patient, dude. Kanks. Thanks for all the support over all this time, man. You've been here a long time with us, man. You want BCN when you tip? What you talking about? You want BCN when you tip? Oh, okay. You talking about you want 589 to be Benito coin, dude? There's nothing we can do with it. Do you not remember what the logo looks like? It's trash, man. We actually thought about it. What's it called? Bytecoin? Sorry, that's probably really loud. See, that's the thing. A variation, like a billion different ones. I have to turn the audio down on all of them. Want Aeon. Thanks so much for joining. Bitcoin logo. Isn't it Bitcoin? Yeah, it's Bitcoin. Dude, they changed it. They changed their logo. Are you kidding me? Of course they did. Oh, and you'll just love it. You'll love how they changed their logo. Byte Connect, PC and Connect, Benito Connect.
ARK was one of the first to run. Retraced to the 200-day. Slight bullish div on the 1 hour. Good re-entry.
I don't really like any kind of divergence on the 60-minute for a major reversal. I don't know, man. It was one of the first. Yeah, ARN was one of the first, and that means it's normally one of the first to dump before the others, right? But we can look at it, man. Thanks, dude, for the...
Is that a join?
We'll look at it. Thanks. Ooh. This is a cipher, maybe. Or something. Oh, yeah, man. It's been a minute since we looked at this. ARN. Right? It's like X, A, B, C. Looking for D at the 786. Dude, yeah, I don't know, man. It looks terrible. It looks awful on the 4 hour because huge spike in negative momentum. You have 200s approaching at 85.98. 4 hour. Yeah, it'll be developing bullish divergence, but when? When will it develop? Triple top. Dude, that's some sort of triple top, man. Measure move there's nuts, dude. Alright, that's a nuts measure move downside. I mean, on candle closes, how is that not a triple top, dude? We're gonna use candle closes here. And just like where, you know, it makes the most sense. A measure move is like so far down. It's like below critical support. You might not get there, right? And that's probably not the best way to do it. You could also look at it like this. Not low to high. The extension, the 1272 is at 84.87. 1414 is at, oh my god, dude, get this out of here. Sorry about, hey, blame Billy, man. Blame Billy. I didn't know they redid their logo to make it pink. And if you want to know what the old logo was, it was really bad. Like, but I mean, I don't understand. You go from this, you're like, okay, we're gonna re-market ourselves. We got this, dude. We got this. I think we give more coverage to Benito Coin than anyone else on the planet. So, even if it's all negative. Anyway. 4 hour 1272 is upon you, and 1272 might be a formidable support because you look left, you know, there's some chop there, but 1414, I mean, a lot of chop down here. Thing with ARN was like we broke this crazy downsloping structure, and then we just we bounced off of it, lower highs, bounced off it again. Then we you know, we ran, we dumped, and we made higher lows. We broke this downsloping structure, and then we eventually ran to the upside, but it's really not doing anything, man. Not much of anything. Okay. Now, people could pretty much try and make an argument. I mean, too much white space to say there's any sort of triangle. Okay, I get it. But, right? You can't say there's a triangle here, can you?
ARK not AR and smile, but probably same story.
That dude, I don't even know anymore, man. ARK Connect, dude, they look very similar. What? Why they look the same? Dude, what? Hey, at least I have it charted. So no harm, no foul. Whatever. Screw it. Alright, you were range bound. You broke the range. You back tested. And now you've fallen back into the range. Get wrecked, dude. Terrible. Hit a 382 probably, right? High to low. You hit the 382, man. You hit the 382 and then you sold off, dude. Hey, that's what happens. Remember what happens when you hit the golden zone? At any point when you hit that golden zone, you can reverse your price action downside. ARC being beautiful testament to that. Yeah, getting oversold now. Dude, that's gnarly, dude. It's really gnarly. Okay, so fib extensions again, I guess, right? Oh, do I use the wick? I guess I use the wick, man. 1272s at 1210. God, these S coins, man. They're stupid wicks. Illiquid scrub coins. Alright, 1210, 1126, 1006. Alright. No structure. No formal structure is developed yet. I don't think. Do you see any? I mean, I see impulse and a little flag or channel or something, but whatever, you know. Okay, man. Great. Yeah, I guess you're... See, the negative momentum is clearly going to be lower than the previous lows, right? But you don't know. This could just keep building, right? You are oversold, but, you know, we can at least just identify it and say, hey, no matter when you decide, and maybe at the fib node, you'll have this bullish divergence. It'll really be rounded out. And you could say there is nice bullish divergence on the 4 hour, so we might pop to the upside. You know, and really, let's see. Look where you're holding support now, right? You're holding it right here, January 4th high, candle close. But then right below it, there's more support. That's right below the 1272, right? Wicks. A lot of wicks down there. Yeah, dude, the, what is that? That's, is that 1192 looks like a really strong support. And that would make, maybe by then we would be rounding out on the MACD. So maybe that's a better target than right where we are. Okay. I don't know. Again, do these things, like, what is this? Double top. Nice double top. You want to do measure moves double tops here? At least this double top looks a little less insane. Okay. Kill me, dude. Measure moves, right? The 1272, right around where we are. Holy crap. So you're getting close to that measure move. Oh, you can use the wicks, man. Let's just use the candle close, okay? Just keep it simple, conservative on your measure moves when you get stupid, crazy, illiquid assets like this. Jeez. Okay. Thanks for the 200 plus tuned in. All right. Just trying to, wow. These requests are killing me, dude. Kappa. How could a bearish Scarlet moon up breakfast shade? I know when we analyzed Raven, we saw that potential harmonic. Oh, but I don't remember. Huh. What was going on? And dude, Raven had all kinds of stuff going on. Okay, let you see this and just keep an open mind on this one, man. A lot of education, a lot of cool stuff happening. Okay, big megaphone. That's the structure developed. All right, you bounced off the bottom trend line of the megaphone like crazy, and really remember how it all ended. You had a beautiful slanted head and shoulders pattern. Come on, measure move hit. Hitting that support, and then you ran up, and look where we are. Down sloping resistance is being extremely well respected. Good God. So it's like too many lines, but all the lines make so much freaking sense. Okay. Extreme amounts of sense. Go to the daily and get rid of a lot of this stuff, and you only see this. There you go, man. This is what we're talking about. All right. Maybe it wasn't Raven with the harmonic. I can't remember which one it was. We're trying to bullishly engulf right now, trying to get back above the 20-day moving average, but you failed multiple times. Okay, so we'll see how well this is respected. And will we sell off again and maybe hit the 50-day moving average if we can't hold or get back above that 20, which we've been having trouble with, right? Impulse down, maybe bear pull, bear flag. Okay, okay. Good, man. I'm just going to what I know and what makes me feel good, or what sounds good to me. I don't even care anymore. How's OMG looking, Juan? It was looking great, but I'm sure it's kind of pulled back, right? Yep. Double top, man. Nice double top. Hey, but who cares? Because guess what happened? You hit the first shorter term target. Dude. Oh my god, man. Like, I mean, high to low, 50% retrace, pretty much double topped at it.
Go long on BCN/RE before the 1 minute closes. This is not professional advice.
Is that a join?
Benita! Dude, Benita, thanks so much for the 420 contribution and all your followers. Thanks, dude. Kanks. Much love. So, yeah, OMG, man. Just, I think doing exactly what you should do on a traditional falling wedge trade setup, okay? Daily bullish divergence on both oscillators. You broke out, you ran up, you hit your 50% retrace twice. You had 2 opportunities, and now we're selling off. And though it may not be done, a target has been hit in the short term. All right, we know we could go much, much higher, but this could take us a couple months or more to get up to these prices. But in the short term, we talk about short-term trades, shorter-term swing trades, and the longer term. Okay, it's on much more zoomed-out charts. God. If you're enjoying this live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much for being here, everyone. Kanks. All right. Really appreciate it. 100 likes gets us fireworks, dude. We got, what, 7 more likes and we'll be kings with the fireworks. Oh my god. Fireworks are at the ready. Let's do this thing. Leroy Jenkins. OST is one of the coins we looked at, symmetrical triangle. I think it was near entry. The bottom of the triangle, that is. Oster Toaster. Right, Oster Toaster. Oh my god, dude. Ooh. No bueno. But we're kind of off, though. There's a wick here. Jeez, man. You see that wick? Like that? What the? Okay. I see it. 1 and 2. And then we have the false breakout. Don't break out by or be destroyed. Okay, wow. So zooming in, we can clearly see that there was that wick there. And we'll see how it holds. It's 530 sats, right? Look, hey, dude, come on. It's not like you, when we looked at it when we were up here, it's not like we didn't say that there was bearish divergence on the daily time scale. There clearly was. You can see it clear as day. So we were now, once in the days of March, the Ides of March or whatever, we were above all 3 moving averages. Now we are in the Ides of April and we are below all 3 moving averages on the very significant time scale of the daily. It sucks, dude. Lots and lots of negative momentum, inverse Kangage going on right now, okay? But you'd expect in time for us to make a move to the upside, to at least make a retrace, which we haven't really done yet, okay? So it almost just looks closer to a descending triangle, but it's still symmetrical. Still symmetrical. Oh, my head hurts, dude. I would have taken an ibuprofen or whatever, but like the only ibuprofen I have is like PM, so that would have not been good. What are y'all talking about? Oh, I guess I'm on the Benito talk, or the rebranding. Tab Soda, wow. Sorry, man. Yeah, P3D, man, Billy. Remember that? Bro, we're not Russians, dude. We're not spammers, man. Remember them trying to be all like, bro, P3D is the future, man. You just don't get it. We're gonna make you famous, dude. P3D. Yeah, there you go, Billy, man. Can't make this up. My brain truly. Okay. Crazy. Advil PM plus a coffee equals regular Advil, but you're canceling out the coffee. Thanks, dude. I need coffee. Have I ever fallen asleep during a live stream? No, Mike. Never. Ever has that happened, dude. XRP about to make his move, man. Well, we're ready, dude. We got a position open. We're waiting, dude. We don't care. We tune out all the noise of XRP screwed. Screw XRP, it's fake. Then XRP $589. Like all the noise, dude. All the stupid noise, the Rudy poo. We ignore it and we just have our positions and our stops and we don't really care. Okay. What's up, long range crypto, man? How you doing, dude? Yo-yo. I know you're not asking for yo-yo. Someone asked, we actually analyzed yo-yo coin today. Sorry about your ears, everyone. E. Cole, welcome. Peppermint oil for the headaches. You know, peppermint oil is really good if you have, have a green thumb. Arthur Beeswax probably knows this, but like if you have peppermint spray, you spray peppermint on all your like shrubs or your things that the deer will eat, and it will repel them. Deer hate peppermint for some weird reason. Okay, remember that. We don't just teach TA here, man. We teach things about peppermint and deer. Also, okay, random trivia question. What are the stingers on the jellyfish called? It's one word. If you answer right, I'm probably just going to call you a freaking Googler. Okay. What are they called? What are the stingers called on the jellyfish tentacles? The prongs that come out, they're,
Wait, for real, you're an XRP fan?
Is that a join?
Montana man, don't you dare. Wait, I think it said something else. I can't see it. No, okay. XRP fam. You're in the XRP fam. Dude, I'm literally, you said that to trigger me because I just made it so abundantly clear that it's like we're on the fence. We like it when it's good for long. We like it when it's good for short. All right. And not the barb, not the tentacles. And sorry. Yep. Well, kind of said tentacle. Wrong, but kind of right. They're called nematocytes. Nematocyte. Close to tentacle. Nematocytes. Sorry. They're just like involuntary. Like, so the jellyfish has no control over them. Anything that touches them triggers the harpooning of the nematocyte. There you go. That's it. Yeah, they are barbs, but that is like a pronoun. Okay. No. Yeah, so an irkanji has nematocytes that shoot out that will kill you in moments. Okay, man. Good try though, chat. Good try. I think that one made my head hurt. No, wait. So, yeah, OST, Oster Toaster is not looking very good. Alright, 4-hour chart though. Yeah, you're starting to show some bullish divergence, but is there any pattern development? I don't think so, man. There's clearly a trend line, right? Is there another trend line that converges? Maybe we could just try to do this. Maybe it's wedging. Maybe we could do fibs. Okay, you're right at the 1414 fib extension. Okay. Jeez, man. Holy crap, man. Wow. Kind of like double bottoming on the 4-hour RSI. You're extremely oversold. You're at 23 on the RSI, and you are, I think, yes, you are showing some bullish divergence, but the negative momentum could keep building if it wanted. So we don't really know yet. Oh, man. I haven't had a headache like this in a long time, dude. Okay, so maybe wedging, but maybe scrubbing. All right, if you don't hold 559, you're probably going 519. 519 to 530. Okay, upsloping support and the 1618 golden mean ratio. It'd be I don't know how you'll get there. You very well could, but dude, you're double bottoming, so that's like a little bit of class C bullish divergence with class A bullish divergence on the MACD. So again, man, 559 or 530 or 519. Your more critical supports are down here, and you're just right here, man. Okay, man. There you go. It's the best I can do. Oster Toaster coin. What? Okay, never mind. Jelly wheels? I don't know what that is, man. Please don't give me a pet irukandji, man, because it'll die real quick in captivity, right? Salt water. Message. Scout message. Nah, dude, I don't do scout messages, man. Sorry. Hologram, man. Win golden cross. Win golden cross on what, Jungle Inc? On Bitcoin? On the daily? I mean, if you keep the price action consistent, it'll be happening soon. But the only reason why it'd be happening is because you had this crazy impulse where you shot up almost $1,000. Oh, dude, I've been drinking water all day, Greg, man. It's not going anywhere, dude. Yeah, Ethereum Classic, there's a reason why we sold off. There's a reason why we sold off so tremendously, multiple reasons, actually. And it's so beautiful, and it's just respecting the TA so much, dude. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Nothing saved from today's analysis, so screwed. Having to redo everything. Okay, so bearish divergence on the RSI at a critical resistance, rejected 3 freaking times. Bearish engulfing candle, selling off. Still on the 4 hour, still above the 20-day moving average. 20 moving average, sorry, not 20-day. 20 moving average, right? So there you go, man. Hit the top of the channel, and you sold off. Oh, man. So there you go, man. Nice little double top up there, right? And the resistance selling off, 200-day moving average. You could probably see yourself at 611 in no time. And there's no real formal support on ETC until 567. That's it. Yeah, I guess that's it, Greg, man. No, I'm definitely not drinking beer, man. Definitely not. Oh, I think we maybe hit. Yeah, thanks for the 100 likes, y'all. Really appreciate that. Boom. Throwing them up for y'all. Okay. Much love. Like spike, baby. Like spike. IOST, beautiful move, went a little bit above the measured move, a little bit above it, and then you were back.
Fireworks for Psy Girl. Nutella and prune juice will cure that headache. Chase with tequila and Mountain Dew. Just truing to help.
Just truing to help. Get wrecked on your truing, dude. Oh, sorry, just punched my microphone. My bad. Bruxism is teeth grinding while sleeping. I don't do that, man. How can Bitcoin not go to 8K? Lack of demand. Easiest question of my life. I think in 5800, I don't know how you're going to break 5800. You break 5800, man. We're going to have a different discussion, man. 5800 and 6000 are insane resistances that I just don't know how you're going to break it, man. That's King's Landing, dude. And we're White Walkers. We are the White Walkers in the 786, 5800, 6000 is King's Landing. All right. You break 5800. You pretty much own Westeros. All right. Dude, I've been drinking water all day, man. All right. Yeah, dude. It's either I'm dehydrated or I have a brain tumor. Yeah. Okay. First Connect. Well, what do you expect? Yeah, it's going to sell off. It is 50% retrace from the height of the structure to the low point. Right? High to low, 50%, selling off some. It happens. Dude, this could take a while, man. Take a long while. How long are we in this pattern? Shoot, the first anchor point was August 2018, and we just broke out in April. Dude, that's like 7-8 months, dude. We were in the structure, and now we're out of it. We're not going to hit targets overnight. Not even close, if we're going to at all. But it's nice to see a 50% retrace. Oh, yeah. So, one must be patient on these swing trades. It is not day trading. But there are plenty of people out there that will try to... You can go into their live streams, and they're going to be teaching you how to day trade, hopefully. Or they'll be asking you for 1 billion Bitcoins per second for their trading stuff. Okay. No, my teeth are not smooth at all. Very jagged. Big ups, Liquid Richard, Greg Morgan, man. Real talk. Real talk. It's with a W, not an L, okay? That's right, but Bitcoin's gonna be 1 mil. Yeah, dude, all in. Dude, some guy, like, I don't even know, like, just, you know, on my, like, you know, recommended on my YouTube. Like, I see a thumbnail, and it's like 37,000 views today from some guy, and he's, like, got a picture of, it looks like this. It's so stupid. It's like, and then it does this. It's like 37,000 views. This is what it looks like. And this is like... It looks like that. That's the chart. Okay, his little stupid line. And then it's like 300,000 Bitcoin. See, those people, like... Yeah. Wow. Unreal, dude. Jagged tooth syndrome. Yeah, that's what's causing my headaches, dude. Tumors, dehydration, or jagged tooth spider monkey syndrome. Okay. Something like that. Bitcoin's dumping. Oh my god. We're down $64 on the day. Down 1.21%. Oh my god. It's all over for us. Pinoy, Epic. You know better. We could just say Bitcoin is selling off a little bit right now. Just a little bit. We could say that. Hey, what's up, Zach? Welcome to the Zach Club, where all Zaches are welcome. Tell them Zachery. Been live now 1 hour and 18 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much, everyone. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. We just can't do it. Can't do it. Okay, so you're out of the pennant, but the way the price action is responding to this trend line makes me think it's not even valid. Okay, really makes me think like, nah, whatever. Okay. So it's like either ascending triangle of some sort or wedge. Some slight wedge of some sort, right? There's 3 touch points here, it looks like. Extend this out. Okay, so you can see it Reaction high, reaction highs, reaction lows. Okay, above the 20. All right, you break this. Let's just get rid of the measure moves for now, okay? Don't want to freak people out, confuse people. We'll deal with it later. But if this is, you know, I'm trying to just get to a point where we can see. We went from that, what was it? We don't even need these fibs anymore, okay? Alright, so now you can kind of see the structure that might be developing, but if you use the wick itself, then it's just a wedge, right? And then it's becoming a wedge. Oh my god. There you go. Okay. That's it. That's Bitcoin waiting on bearish divergence, but we don't even have positive momentum. We can't find it. We can't find any kind of positive momentum, man. We just keep on floating on, going higher with negative momentum. Even though the negative momentum's kind of drying up, it's really not. It's just still kind of staying there. It's really scrubby, man. All right, the longer this happens, like, this is making me like less and less confident about a move. But it's like, where is it, man? Where's the next histogram hump so we can get that bearish divergence? All right. Ooh, red, man. Good idea, dude. Good idea. Okay. Oops. Disregard the session top tipper. A batch of rees of the Zacharees. There you go, King Leggin. That's it, man. Well, I figured there'd be another, but look, man, like, we're in healthy territory on price action between 49.17 and 51.45. Like, this is all fair game to be within. Remember the equilibrium zone on the 4-hour or daily, whatever. The equilibrium zone is between the two faster scale simple moving averages, the 50 and the 20. Okay, we're above it, and you stay above it while you're uptrending, and then sometimes you sell off below it, but then you would hit the 50 and bounce off that if you're truly to remain in that upsloping trend. All right. So for now, it seems as though if we're using these wicks exactly, it's like some sort of ascending triangle or slight wedge. Okay. Dude, it's so close to a freaking ascending triangle. Hold on, dude. God, dang. Try to be as accurate as possible here. Dude, it's like pretty much an ascending triangle. Okay. Like, alright, I'm gonna consider that closer to an ascending triangle than a freaking wedge. Okay. So what if we sold off, dude? Who cares? What if we come down to 5,026? Are people gonna be complaining and crying about it? An upsloping support, and then we pivot and run again? Really not that crazy, man. Okay. So still not enough data at all. You think this is kind of bullish? Yeah, flip a chart. Okay, dude, we'll flip a chart. All right, here's our chart. So we just had a huge impulse, and now we're forming a descending triangle, and we're holding on to positive momentum, right? So there's a scrubby buy wall, and there's distribution going on, right? Capo. So eventually all the orders will get filled on these buys, and once this buy order gets filled, there may not be any more demand on Bitcoin until we get down to 5,500 or 5,600 mini kappas, right? Same type of psychology on the upside. That was just described the psychology of a descending triangle. Here it is: accumulation versus distribution, sell wall, buy wall. All right. So yeah, it looks like starting to develop a potential bullish continuation pattern. That's it. That's it for now. And again, if this is a bullish continuation pattern and we broke to the upside, we would be showing bearish divergence after we broke to the upside. So, all right. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. Been a good stream. Okay, been real good. Appreciate everyone coming out for 80's night. Once a month we do it. And and glad to see that the overlays were working. Whew. Okay. And thanks again for the 232 people here. I appreciate that a lot. And just want to say thanks so much to Andrew R., Montana Man, Peter Walker, Brian Johnson. Yeah, man. Drew Carew. More Brian Johnson, Peter Byrne, Greg Morgan. Thank y'all for the contributions tonight. I really appreciate it. Wow. Thanks Dookie Smurf for the follow on Twitch. There were more, but that name was funny. Dookie Smurf. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm dead. My head's like throbbing. I gotta go take an ibuprofen PM. Alright. And see how it affects me. Hopefully it'll make me feel better. Okay. I will be back tomorrow. Love y'all. Until next time, respect the T. Hey.
That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
Adios, turd nuggets.